In today's video, I'll show you how to format text boxes in PowerPoint step by step. If you want your slides to look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read, learning how to customize text boxes is extremely important. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide containing the text box you want to edit. If you don't already have one, click the Insert tab at the top and select Text Box. Then click anywhere on the slide and type your text. To start formatting, click directly on the text box so it becomes selected. Once selected, you'll see new formatting options appear in the toolbar. One of the first things you can change is the font style. Highlight your text and choose a different font size, or font color from the Home tab. You can also make the text bold, italic, or underlined to make important words stand out. Next, you can adjust the alignment of the text. PowerPoint lets you align text to the left, center, right, or justify it depending on your slide design. If you want more spacing between lines, use the line spacing option. This can make large blocks of text much easier to read during presentations. Now let's customize the text box itself. Right-click the text box and choose Format Shape. A settings panel will appear on the side of the screen. From here, you can change the fill color of the text box, add transparency, or remove the background completely. You can also customize the outline by changing its color, thickness, or style. Another useful feature is adding effects like shadows, reflections, or soft edges. These effects can help your text stand out without making the slide look overcrowded. You can also resize the text box by dragging its corners or rotate it for creative slide designs. If your text does not fit properly, use the text box settings to adjust internal margins or enable automatic resizing. This keeps your content organized and prevents text from overflowing outside the box. For a more professional presentation, try to keep your formatting consistent across all slides. Using the same fonts, colors, and spacing throughout your presentation creates a cleaner and more polished look. Before finishing, preview your slides in presentation mode to make sure the text is easy to read from a distance and everything looks properly aligned. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to format text boxes in PowerPoint and customize them to improve your slide design. And that's how you format text boxes in PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.